Hey there, jewelry lovers! Are you ready to sparkle and save big? Yeah, I thought so. So let's dive into the world of Allurez, where luxury meets affordability. Now picture this. You're scrolling through Allurez's stunning collection of rings, earrings, bracelets, and oh my, those necklaces. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, bam! Discount codes to the rescue. Yep, you heard me right. Allurez discount codes, promo codes, whatever you want to call them, they're here to make your jewelry dreams come true without breaking the bank. Let's break it down. First up, we have the classic Allurez promo code. It's like a magical key that unlocks a world of savings. Whether you're eyeing that perfect engagement ring or a dazzling pair of earrings, this code is your new best friend. Just enter it at checkout and watch those prices drop like it's hot. But wait, there's more. Have you heard about the Allurez discount code? Oh yeah, it's the ultimate game changer. This baby can save you a percentage off your entire purchase. Imagine getting that beautiful bracelet you've been dreaming of at a fraction of the price. It's like winning the jewelry jackpot. And for those of you who love a good seasonal deal, keep an eye out for Allurez coupon codes. These little gems pop up during special occasions like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and even Black Friday. So, mark your calendars and get ready to pounce on those fabulous savings. Okay, let's get real for a moment. We all know that feeling when you find the perfect piece of jewelry and your heart does a little happy dance. But then you see the price tag and your wallet starts weeping. Well, with Allurez discount codes, you can keep that happy dance going and give your wallet a break. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to unlock your special offer and start saving big with Allurez today. Whether it's a gift for a loved one or a treat for yourself, you deserve to shine without the hefty price tag. Remember, life's too short to pay full price for fabulous jewelry. So go ahead and grab those Allurez discount codes and let the sparkle and savings begin. Click the link below and happy shopping. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing deals and tips. Stay fabulous, everyone.